Say hi. Good boy. Hey guys, just wanted to say real quick that part 2 of the series here, flip the camera around, is a little short. I'm missing footage for some reason, but this will take you through to the building of the roof or the finish. I don't know, I gotta get the footage together. But then I think we're gonna do video 3. I think I have a pretty in-depth look at putting the metal and stuff on the roof. So if you wanna stick around and see this one, it's a pretty quick video. Check it out. Okay, out here, morning of another day, whichever number this is. I finally got everything framed all the way up to here. I had to temporarily put old boards and old step back in last night, because I was running out of time and I needed to give the dog access in and out of the doggy door. So I ran my first 20-footer at the house. I'm going to go this way and go that way. This way I'm going first so I can get the step in, get all that completely done. Then I'm going to start working my way back this way, make sure I've got my measurements right for my posts, and get ready to drop those in. So still nothing terribly exciting going on, but I guess now I'm going to start putting these 3-footers in. Okay, moving on. We had some storms come through, crazy storms. There were like 11,000 lightning strikes in the area or something. A weekend in there, I don't know where I left off. But that's all done, needs capped. These need cut off and capped, but I'm getting all the rest of these 20s on. Then I'm going to figure out exactly where my beams need to go, and that's going to be the fun part of this build. So just a quick update before I continue throwing these 20-footers down, which is taking me about 5 minutes each to get these completely screwed down. There's some long boards. Okay, the deck is done. I got a cap board on, got everything cleaned up, covered up. Posts are temporarily set. Big hangers for the beams, also temporarily installed. You can see this one better. And I'm going to level from here to the post and get some height so I can get these cut down. This one is going to go all the way up and support the ridge, so I'm leaving that one until I actually have my rafters figured. This is the fun part. Putting the roof structure on. Should be interesting, probably pretty entertaining. Whoop. Alright, time to get going, time to wake up the neighborhood. Check it out. Both beams are in, the ridge is in, rafters, well, the outside rafters are installed. I have a good rafter pattern, and I'm going to start cutting the rest of mine to... I'm going to start cutting the rest of the rafters to run them all. Apparently we got some big storms rolling through here, so I wanted to make sure that I was in a decent spot, had everything braced off. Now it's just a matter of continuing to get as much done as I can until the storm gets me. It's gonna be pretty cool. Stanley's hanging out with me. He's a little naked today out here in the garage. He says hi.